Hello, it's Connie, head of the STEAM team. I'm here with who?
Hi, Kenny Gellner.
And how long have we known each other, Kenny?
Which state do we want to talk
I
about?
know.
Tennessee or Florida?
I know. We've known each other for probably 3.5
4 years, almost 4 years, yeah.
And we've been doing these segments. We did them in Nashville, and then he moved to Florida. We're doing them in Orlando as well, where we do adopt-a-pet segments on local television stations.
We just finished with Becky.
I know. We have Becky. What do you have to say, Becky? She's the most awesome one. So we don't even think she'll get back to the shelter because she's going to get adopted. And what does Stanley Steemer do to help get these animals adopted?
I mean, you do everything you can to help homeless animals, whether it's here in Orlando or back in Nashville where we met, but you cover their adoption fees, you cover the segment that they're on, you showcase these homeless dogs that need forever homes, and we can't thank you enough for all that you do. I mean, plus you walk the walk, you talk the talk.
Thank
you help at our shelter, the new shelter that we're building right now, and you're just fun to text with even when we're not working.
I know. We do have a great text message chain, but
you're just a great person.
We were trying to add up the animals that we've together probably highlighted over the years, and it's upwards to what, about?
It's a couple of hundred, because I mean, we do this every Friday, and we've been doing this here for almost a couple of years,
and then we were doing
it
all
the years in Nashville.
So I'd say 200 plus, but
at least.
So real quick, after this video is over of me and Kenny talking, it's going to do a rundown of nothing but all the dogs that I have pictures of from me and you, all the way to my dogs that were in Huntsville, Alabama, Nashville, Tennessee, Sarasota, Orlando, Florida.
Wow, that's a lot.
I know.
Are you going to include the one that you adopted from us?
I am.
All right, good.
So we have a video and we're going to roll it.